Guys, dumating na yung stocks natin from Russia. Yan, laser cut natin yan galing Russia. So, ito siya. So, it's a 8 mm to 9 mm approximately yung kapal ng steel plate natin. So, ongoing tayo sa gagawin nating belt grinder. This is revolution number 3. So, ayun yung second generation natin na belt grinders. Nasa bagong shop tayo. Yan. So, nagawa tayo ng panibagong revolution number 3 na belt grinder. So, keep you updated guys. After this, magbi-build up tayo ng parts natin. Weld lahat yan. Okay, see you soon.